This conference will now be recorded.
Actually, in the last Thursday and Friday, the sessions was not happened because of my laptop currently like suddenly shut down and it didn't get started. So that's what the reason. And in the last class, what we have discussed, can we recap?
Yeah, we were creating some positions for the organization and uh, not positions, I would say departments.
Not questions. We didn't start the topic yet.
Oh, okay. Departments, isn't it?
Good.
And we wanted to divide also further,
Mhm.
which we were supposed to do that on Thursday.
Fine. Let me start the topic called organizations. All came? No, few missed. Joseph, anybody to join?
Joseph is having some issues with his speaker,
Okay.
so he'll not be able to speak. I guess all of us are here.
No, Kiran, only 11 there.
Uh, yeah, let me
Excluding
check with
me and
Joseph.
organizer, you guys should be 11 guys. So there are two members missed from your team. Kiran is there, Joseph is there, Murugavel is there, and
Goshia, Sudhira, Leslie, Pandi, Rekha,
I guess Kavita is
Sumita.
missing.
Kavita missed, and one more,
Bhagya.
Bhagya.
Okay.
Are they going to
Bhagyaraj,
join?
I guess.
Bhagyaraj.
Um, we are not sure, Priyanka.
Kiran,
I'm checking with Kavita, Priyanka.
if they
Let
are
me.
not, if they are logging in delay means, then I'll start accordingly. So I don't
Yeah,
wait for.
sure.
Ask them to refer the video. Okay.
Sure, Kavita. Oh, sorry, Priyanka. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Any questions in the last sessions?
No, not from my end.
Kavita joined. Hi, Kavita. Abhilash, I need credentials. Please log in here. Actually, this student is providing by Accenture.
Oh,
Abhilash or Rajesh? Anybody is there? Abhilash. One second, guys.
Sumita, do you have Bhagiraj's contact?
Bhagiraj.
Yes, Kiran, I'm trying.
Yeah, just try to ping him and check whether he's joining or not. Thank you.
Priyanka Bhagiraj won't be joining today.
Is joining or not joining?
No,
He
he's
won't be
not
joining,
joining
Priyanka.
today.
We
Okay,
can
okay,
continue.
done. No problem. We'll continue accordingly. No issues.
Yes, yes, yes.
So let me reconnect with the tenant again. So I will create all these. So I hope we need to create all the supervisory organizations, right?
Yes, yes.
So on that day we have created only one, I hope. That is like superior supervisory organization. Fine. We have got. And what is our reorganization name?
Um, it was Global Software Solutions. Yes, okay.
If you want to search for any supervisory organizations, there is a prefix called, if you type the question mark, automatically you will get the complete report of prefixes of 345. So what is the information maintained here? You can limit search results by prepending your search text with one of the search prefixes. Prepending your search text with one of the search prefixes followed by a colon. If I want to see worker, so I will type worker and I will type colon. If I want to see organization, so simply I will type org followed by colon, and GSS is my company code, organization code. So this is the supervisory organization that I have created in the last class. So if what is the use of this organization code means, to search for any other supervisory organizations, it will give easy access to look into that. So for that purpose, we will give organization codes and all while creating the supervisory organization. And the prefix for organization is nothing but org followed by colon. Same like that, if you want to find any worker, you need to type worker followed by colon. So I would like to find any worker, like Rohit is the employee actually. It's Rohit Sharma. So, so he is a worker in Accenture. Actually, he is a cricket player, but still he is working in Workday also as a part time. So he is one of the senior customer service representative. Okay, so if you want to find workers means you need to type like this. Same in the way, if you want to find any absence related, you need to type this prefixes here, whatever the mentioned details are there. Payment related, adoption related, absence related, contract related. So whatever, you can filter here and you can work on that accordingly. If you want any asset related means, take asset and type and followed by colon and type any asset, laptop or anything business related. If you want to see business process, business objects, so we will type these prefixes only, calculated field called CF. So I'll explain in detail about all these, but these are the prefixes that we need to follow, and these the prefixes are under the control of Workday itself. There is no option for the customization. Okay, if you want to download Excel sheet, please click on here. This is called Excel sheet download, and it is nothing but, if you want to click for any export to the worksheet, so you can click on here, and this option is nothing but, if you want to like filter the grid data, so here if you want to do any filtrations, you can do accordingly. Okay. So this is all about the search prefixes option. Now, if I would like to see my organization, I simply type, I don't type Global Software Solutions. I simply type org followed by colon GSS. But that's it. So my organization came. Now I need to create a subordinate under this organization. The process is nothing but called as create subordinate, go to reorganization and select the options. These are the three options. These are the three ways to create the supervisory organizations. But inside, the inputs are same to follow. The first step is nothing but create subordinate. It means under this supervisory organization, you will create the subordinate. Assign superior is nothing but same like whatever we have created the global software solutions as a independent supervisory organization. Like that, we will create independent supervisory organization and we will assign the same to this organization. We'll see that one also. Now I am going to take the first one. So what is the first one? Now please create HR. No. I am going to create the subordinates first. So please create legal and IT as subordinate. GSS legal. Or global software legal. So it is like official name to see on the reports and all. And if you click on include organization ID, we'll see what will happen. And this organization ID will generate by Workday itself. Here as default, I am going to give organization code as GSS itself. And I am going to include the same in the organization also for easy find out. And please select the organization type as a department itself, and no need to select the primary location. Why? Because means it is directly referring from the superior itself, so that's why it will not ask for the primary location and staffing models also. Please submit and done. So if you include the organization ID, what will happen? It will display along with the name of the department. So maximum we will exclude this option. Why? Because means the name will display like in manner of long length. So lengthy name will display. That's why we don't encourage this part. But still the organization ID will create by default. See, organization ID I didn't include it in the include in this previous creation, but still it was created. And same for the supervisory organization for legal, it has created as a the same is displaying on the title also. Now go to superior itself and go to related actions and create one more supervisory organization as a subordinate. Go to reorganization and create subordinate and same task. Please give the same process itself. So this is for global software IT. Don't include the organization ID. So because we have knowledge on this now. Include the organization code, and this is also a department. Now there are two subordinates are there under GSS software solutions. So we have created this and we have created this. Okay, and I am going to create one more as a independent supervisory organizations like HR and customer support team. So these two I am going to create as a independent supervisory organizations. Please come to the next tab and type create supervisory organization. So select the reorganization. If you type GSS, no, it will not come. Why? Because in the reorganization we didn't give any codes and all. Only in the supervisory organization we have given. Say OK and give the name here called Global Software Human Resources. This is also a department as a HR department. It will be visible for everyone. Why? Because means it is we are creating as a independent supervisory organization. It will ask for the primary location also. What is our location?
Texas.
Organization.
Texas, we
Texas.
have given.
Yeah. This one, right?
Yes.
So to avoid duplication of selecting the locations and all, we will give these codes. So here select any staffing model. I'll explain later about this. Say OK. And now we have created human resource as an independent. We need to assign this to global software solutions. So what is the task? Same process. Go to reorganization and click on assign superior. And this human resource is going to assign under global software solutions. Any supervisory organization, that's your wish, but I need to assign under top level management only. Submit and done. Now check the organization structure, go to related actions and go to org chart. See, human resource came here and IT and legal. So here it is showing as 0. Why? Because means there are no employees recruited in this department. Once you start recruiting employees, it will show the number also. Now, I am going to create one more supervisory organization as finance and accounts. Then I will divide that organization. The process is same, but the input of the fields and all same, but the names are different in creating the ways. Create super. And name here please give as finance, and from this you can divide the accounts also. Same department. This subtype selection is depends on your organization, wherever you work. They will give the subtype criteria also to select which one we need. Now go to the org chart and refresh this. Before going to look for the option called org chart, please go to reorganization and please assign to global software solutions. Not to human resource, TLM. And done. Now refresh the page here. See, finance came here. Now I would like to divide this finance with equal characteristics of accounts also. So accounts also should report to top level management only, not to this finance. So please select the option called divide. So you are going to divide the organization from finance as accounts. So what is the organization name? And see here, it is going to report to the superior of Global Software Solutions. So what is the organization name? Global Software Accounts. With equal rules, with equal functions, it is going to divide from this finance, which and it is going to report to the top level management.
Priyanka,
Yeah.
so we have a field called effective date and availability date. So what is the difference between effective date and availability date?
Effective date is nothing but, so today already, I mean, like this superior has created on the effective date. Say for example, this department is going to be available from May 1st on, I mean like July 1st onwards, not from now. So you can give the name, date select as July 1st. In between, you cannot change the functions and all from finance to accounts immediately. So in the meanwhile time of 15 days, you need to divide your functions and all from finance and accounts accordingly. So the availability time would be like 1st July onwards. That time onwards, this accounts organization will be available in this organization structure, and the teams also will divide accordingly on or before of July 1st itself. So I have selected July 2019. Or please select 18. So now it will not visible to us. Tomorrow it will be visible to us. You can select subtype as division also, no issues. Submit and done. I will tell you what is this things and all. Why it is going to approval process and all. See, we have divided the organization, and with so and so effective date is 17. That availability date what we have given 18th itself. The details will not be available here. See here, the due date is 18th June 2019, but the effective date that what we have given, the changed date. So if tomorrow you are changing again to 20th of June, so the effective date would be 18th of June and the availability date would be 20th of June. So that is this is like mandatory for all the things. So we will select the availability date and the effective date will be the same, whatever it carries like the current date.
So once created, can we go back and rename the title
Of
or
course,
change the
yeah,
date?
yeah, I will show that one also.
Okay.
We do have an option to edit the names and all. ArcGSS. Actually, in finance, I have missed to update global software. So I need to edit this. Go to related actions, go to supervisory organization, edit name or code. The effective date, select today's date. Being it said demo tenant, that's why it is showing as demo. Effective date will be like 1900. See, I would like to give global software. Done. So now we have created, and I didn't included the organization code. Again, go back. Edit the organization name or code. In real time, it will not show this date. It will show effective date only in our real time tenants and all. Include the organization code. Say OK now and done. Now you can able to see finance as a GSS global software, so and so. Okay, we have created HR, we have created and sales and marketing. Now this one is done. Done and done. Please create customer support as a independent supervisory organization. Please select the reorganization. If you are creating from supervisory organization, that time you don't need to select this reorganizations. Whenever you are creating the task as an independent, that time only you have to select this reorganization. So why it is showing error for these things only? Why it is not showing for to enter the name and all means there is no mandatory mark for this task to fill the details. So only for subtype, field and primary location there are mandatory marks. So that's why it is by mistake I have clicked on OK. That's why it is showing the error here. This mandatory marks will customize by the customers as per the requirements of fields to fill.
So Priyanka, how come name is not one of the mandatory field?
That's what I am saying. So that is depends on the organizations. In my organization, name and code is very much mandatory, and visibility is not mandatory, and external location, primary location is mandatory. Subtype is also not mandatory in our organization. So that depends on the organizations with workday communication. See, so what will happen? No, before going to take the workday, the background work will start from before 6 months itself. So whatever the data that we do have, so based on the data, what are the designs that they are going to give to us? So which fields that they are going to mention as mandatory, and what are the departments they are going to customize for us as per our departments to match. So like this, like so many communications will happen in between customer at the same time work like workday team also. Even this mandatory marks also is like depends on the wish of employee only,
Okay, understood.
not employee customer.
Yeah, employer.
Yeah, employer.
Thank you.
Okay, please give the names here called what we need to create customer support. In my previous organization, primary location is not mandatory to us because we do have only one location. The organization is, so it obviously it refers to the automatically the name will display here by selecting the supags and all. So please assign this to customer support. Please assign this customer support to global software. Say okay. And done. So check the organization chart again. So same like this, if you want to create few more subordinates under this finance, you can create. So if you want to create any subordinate as an admin from HR, so you can create accordingly. Go to reorganization, create subordinate, sorry. So from IT, I would like to create development and QA. So go to reorganization, create subordinate and create the development and divide the QA from development also in the next task. Global software development. Organization type as a division or something, anything you can select accordingly. Say OK. And again divide this development into QA also. See here, there is a down arrow for this because there is a subordinate under this supervisory organization. Come down and see here the development is available and divide the organization of QA also from this development. Divide organization, say OK, and the organization name is Global Software QA and organization code is GSS. And the type is nothing but called any division or department. And now it will ask for the location. Why? Because means it is dividing from the existing subordinate. Okay, so in that reason it is asking to done. Now I would like to inactivate the organization, like for example QA. So what is the process? Same go to reorganization, same go to the process called inactivate organization. If any workers are there, that time we will select move workers by organization. Currently no workers. In coming classes we will discuss about that. See here, if you want to inactivate the organization, what is the condition? You can inactivate the organization if it has no employed members. So before going to dismiss the complete organization means you need to ensure there are no employees under the department and there are no open positions. I mean like looking for the job candidates from outside and there are no open headcount also. I mean like so there are in the department there are 5 members. You need to close that 5 members on the basis of inactivating this organization. If not, the headcount will be open in final yearly report. You can get the headcount as a wrong number. So there are 5 members in the inactivate organization also. So it will not accept that. You need to ensure before going to inactivate the organization to take care of the headcount, open any open headcount is there or any open positions are there, any current employees are there. So please you need to take care of this and remove or inactivate all subordinate and included organizations before inactivating this organization. When you inactivate the organization, it retains to the supervisory organization itself. It means it will be with supervisory organization only. But here there is a column called keep all role assignments. I mean like, so under this department, whatever the roles that have been created, like QA analyst, QA engineer or any other roles with that, for that roles any job profiles are assigned. So all the details should keep the same in that way only. Why? Because means in future, if you are going to activate the organization again, that time you don't get time waste to search for the job profiles, roles and all. So if you keep the if you select the checkbox of keep all role assignments, In future, if you select the activation also, automatically this role assignments also will be available by default along with the organization. That time there will be no time waste will happen for creating the job profiles and for assigning the job roles and all. So please select keep all role assignments. So these things and all will be available for this accounts related, I mean like QA related. Say submit and done. Now go and check what are the supervisory organizations are available. Only one is available. The another one has been inactivated. If you want to activate means you can go and activate. See, it is in the stage of inactive stage. Here the option is not available to activate the process. So in this demo access, we will not get complete end-to-end accesses to perform the tasks and all. So here the option is not coming. Actually, in here only we will get the option called edit username and all. Yeah, in the reorganization it is available. Normally we used to have in the supervisory organization only. So it is also one of the version update in the last version. So to avoid the confusion for activate and inactivate, so they have included the same in the reorganization itself, because in this reorganization only we will inactivate the supervisory organization. But the in like same like that to activate also we need to come to here only. But earlier it was there in the supervisory organization. Activate. Now again it got activated. Check the organization structure. Now click on this Texas. See, again it got activated and retains to the same IT itself. Okay. So this is about called organization structure. So whatever we have discussed today, the complete processes of assign superior, divide organization, subordinate, inactivate. So these are all organization structure process and one of the part of core concept of supervisory organization. There is one more step called organization types. In tomorrow class we are going to discuss about the organization types. But now any questions to you guys?
So can we have multiple locations under an organization? We can do that, right?
Multiple locations means under
See,
this location and under this organization, so
mhm.
only this supervised organization will refer. So if you want to create multiple locations, you can create multiple locations, but that is one of the organization type where we are going to discuss about tomorrow.
Okay.
Anyways, I am not going to create the location, but I will create another organization types and I will explain the process also.
Also, while making an organization inactive, we have few employees under that. So can we move that to a different organization, move the
Yeah, you
employees to
have to
different?
move workers. So that
Yeah.
task I will explain in the coming classes because there are no workers in the organization, no. So I
Yeah,
will
correct.
explain in the next classes, move workers
Oh,
by organization.
got it.
So that is the condition to inactivate a department, I
Yes.
guess.
Once, I mean, like if there are any employees are there, you need to assign to another manager. After that only you have to inactivate this organization. Until and unless it will not happen.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So any questions to anybody?
No, Priyanka.
No, Priyanka.
All clear?
Yes,
Organization
yes.
type. Anyways, there is some time is there, right? 15 minutes. Why should I waste? So organization types. So what is mean by organization types? So we will discuss about that and the creation process and all we will discuss in the next class. Organization types are nothing but, one second, let me have some water. Organization types and organization hierarchies. These two terminologies also under supervisory organization only. Yeah, organizational types and hierarchies. So what is this organization types means? This organization types are defined by Workday, and also we can customize that. But most probably we will use the defined organization types only. So within each type, we can able to define the each and every organization based on the company's requirements. Here we can create unlimited number of organization types, and also we can use it for the different types of reporting also. So first of all, by default, defined organization types are company, cost center, division, location, region. So these five are by default defined by Workday. If you want to create any customized organization types, you can create accordingly. So there are different organizational types are there. Retiree is one of the organization type. Okay, so pay group is one of the organization type, and supervisory organization. So these are all different organization types, and these organization types will represent a structure like organization structure only with the help of hierarchies. Like company hierarchy, location hierarchy, cost center hierarchy, region hierarchy. So this hierarchy is nothing but a label. So here there is no action or functions will happen. It is like a label, sticker of that group of organization types. So company organization type is nothing but, so it is like for financials, it is the primary organization. Companies, normally we used to say like Company is nothing but organization name. But here in Workday, for Workday financials, it is the primary organization. Okay, and so all the financial reports will delivered on this company only. Financial reports like what? Balance sheets, any other income statements. So all are will run in the context of company itself. Balance sheets are what is that? Income reports or any other. And we can specify here the currency also for each and every company. I mean like by area based. For India, we will create like INR. For USA, USD. See, if I type company followed by GMS, this is the prefix for company. And see here, company, Global Modern Services as is Sweden. So it is referring some employees details and this reports details and all. So on this so and so area, I mean like in this Sweden, so these guys are generating the reports for financial based of income or any other balance sheet related. And the another one is nothing but cost center. So cost center is means what? So it is also used to track the financial transactions. But here to extract the financial reports in companies, and here in cost center we will track financial transactions including revenue or expenses. So how much I am spending on the team and how much revenue that I have extracted from the team by their work. So these things and all will calculate on the cost centers itself. So in this cost center, both employees and contingent workers will assign. Because for contingent contract employees also, employer is spending some amount as the salaries or any other infrastructure and all. So they need to extract the revenue also from them too. Okay. So division is nothing but if any small divisions are there. So they will divide accordingly. Say for example in the sales, marketing also there, and door-to-door promotions are there. So online promotion is there, telephone promotion are there. Those are all divisions. So from divisions we are going to extract some data from that process. So we will create accordingly. Locations are nothing but representing the organizations. Regions also nothing but the working areas, the worker performing areas, not region is nothing but the location areas, not that. So the worker performing area, say for example, you are in finance. So your region is finance region. So I am in HCM. My region is HCM region. Like that, the difference of region here. If you want to combine, I mean like here we can create multiple cost centers, multiple companies, divisions also manually at the same time through integrations also. So and we will combine all these together with hierarchies called we used to call organization hierarchies. So this is about the organization types, and tomorrow we'll create accordingly, like company, cost centers and all, we will create accordingly.
So Priyanka, location is physical location and reason is the domain where a particular employee is working, right?
Like we do have some branches, right? Say like in the same area. I mean in India, there are multiple locations my company have been spreaded. So if I
Okay,
want to
it's physical
expose the
location.
details, pardon?
It's physical location, right?
Yeah,
Areas.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay.
So now, I mean, in last class we have created Texas. So same like that
Yes.
in nearby areas also my organization is there with same name. So under the reorganization, I will create multiple locations and I will assign the same to the supervisory organizations. Tomorrow we'll see this process.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the steps. Assign. Uh, the task is called organization assignments. Independently, this organization types will not work. We need to assign to the supervisory organization. So tomorrow I'll explain how we will do this process. Clear, right? Are you guys able to clear, or any questions or any suggestions? Please let me know. If I am going fast, please let me know. If I am going slow, let me know. Anything else?
We are able to get it, Priyanka. Thank you.
So all are fine, right? If any questions also, no problem. As I already told you, please prepare a document. We will work accordingly.
Sure,
Once
thank
complete
you.
this organization structure, I will open your module based document. So I will cover all the I will confirm you whether I covered all the points or not in the document, the course content provided by you. Okay.
Sure, Priyanka.
Fine, guys. Take care. Tomorrow we'll meet on the same time. And I
Sure,
need
thank you.
all of your presence without fail.
Sure, sure.
Sure, Priyanka.
Joseph, please take care on this. Of course, you guys will receive the videos, but still I need attendance of all the members.
Sure, Priyanka, we'll do that.
Fine. Thank you so much and take care and good day. So tomorrow we'll meet in the same time.
Thanks, Priyanka.
Sure. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye
Thank
all of
you.
you.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye bye.